Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to set up new laptop, user settings, drivers and application installation and system update. So first we will connect the internet and we will activate the Windows first. Go to PC properties and system and scroll down. You can see here 25H2 and product key and activation, click there. So you can see here cannot connect. So we have to wait, it will connect directly. If you have OEM license, it will activate directly. So you can see here it is activated directly. Windows 11 Pro activated. Now we will go to Windows updates. You can check here, get the latest update as soon as they are available. Just turn on and check for updates. It will take little bit time, so it will find out all the drivers and the system settings. It will update one by one, so it will take time to update. Then after, you might be need to restart the PC once again. You have to do the same thing, that retry all, so it will update again. So it will take time. Now we will do another things. I already installed the Chrome in my laptop. From Microsoft Edge you can download the Google Chrome and it will download automatically. Now we will install essential applications like WinRAR. It is necessary for the laptop. We will search for WinRAR and we will download from the website. You can see here directly how I am downloading, and we have to install, run as administrator and install the application. Okay, done. Now I will show you how to download from the website, Dell Latitude download drivers from the website. So you have to type the model name in the Google, select the first one, and it will search automatically. So you can see here automatic update also available. Check for the updates. Once you click that one, it will download the small tool and it will directly update. But I will show you how to download manually. You can see that Windows is still updating. So these are the drivers for the particular device. It will show you recommended, critical. As per your device you can download and install. These are the drivers for your particular laptop. So you can see the date and time, date also when it is released. So today we will download here BIOS. BIOS is very important for the laptops for the good performance. We have to install BIOS. Download this one and run as administrator. It will open directly. You can see here the current version and new version, the BIOS with BIOS card. So 24 previous one and new one 27. So just update and click restart. It will install directly, but it will take time. So you can see here is updating it. So you have to connect the power cable until the BIOS is updated. After the update finish, it will restart directly. You can see here after the update, click on the BIOS driver, run as administrator. It will open the page. You can see here the current version, new version is updated. So this is the simple steps to update BIOS. Now we will personalize the desktop. So we'll go to the themes. From there we will select the desktop icon settings and we will choose computer, user files, recycle bin, control panel, and click OK, apply OK. Refresh. You can see here all the icons appear. You can see the updates, still there is update is running. Go to Google and we will download PDF Gear. This one also free version you can install instead of Adobe, because Adobe is paid version. You have Adobe Reader also, but you can read only the PDF files, but in PDF Gear you can edit all the PDF files. Okay, next, install. It will install directly. Click finish. You can see here I will run this one, run as administrator. I was having the subscription for the Office 365, so I downloaded from the website this Office setup to install the Microsoft products like Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint. It will install directly. If you already purchased for the subscription, you can enter the email ID, so it will activate directly. If you don't have email ID, you can purchase for the license, so you can just enter the license, it will activate. Or else if you have any another Microsoft 2021 or 2019 or 18, any Microsoft software you can install. So if you want to customize Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, we can create a shortcut to the desktop. We will see the Windows update. Now you can see here. If you found my videos helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get new updates. You are up to date, so there is no updates pending. Thank you for watching.